We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's makeup look is inspired by Barbie doll. If you like what you see, then continue watching. So let's start with NIVEA aftershave balm as a primer. I'm going to apply it nicely on my skin, and then I'm going to use this L'Oreal True Match foundation today. So I'm going to take 1.5 pump and I'm going to dot it like this first. Then I'm going to blend it with this beauty blender. So you need to work quickly with this foundation because it dries quickly, but this foundation is awesome. So it gives a good coverage as well. So as you can see, I have blended my foundation and now I'm setting my eyelids for my eye makeup. So for now I'm using this purpley kind of pink shade from the Essence palette. First I'm going to apply it with the flat brush like this, and doing same on the other eye. Then I'm going to take this a fluffy brush to blend my eyeshadow. So first I'm going to blend nicely and then reapply the eyeshadows. Then next I'm going to use this dark pink shade for my eyelids. I'm going to apply it with my fingers. It works well with fingers rather than a brush. So I'm going to apply it with my fingers like this, and then I'm going to blend both the colors nicely. So that's all for the eye makeup. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and prep for my mascara. So I'm going to use this Essence mascara today. I'm going to coat my upper lashes and lower lashes with the same mascara. If you want, you can go for falsies, but I'm not going to use falsies. So this is how it looks. You can see huge difference. So I'll finish the other eye, and then now I'm moving on with the concealer. I'm going to highlight with my concealer, highlighting my highest points. Then I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. Then I'm setting my face with the loose powder. I'll mention all the products I used in the description box so you can check that. Then I'm using this white KAJAL pencil from LAKME for my waterline. Then I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. So you can see huge difference when you apply white eyeliner. So this is how it looks and I really loved it. So this makes your eyes pop and looks like a doll. So now I'm taking that SIVANNA bronzer palette and I'm going to bronze up my face. And then I'm going to take same blush from the same palette, and then I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to blend all nicely. Then I'm slightly contouring my nose as well. So I'll make sure everything is blended nicely. Then I'm taking this highlighter and highlighting my highest points. That's a bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, and of course on my cheekbones, and highlighting my inner corners as well. Then I filled my eyebrows offline. Then moving on, I'm using this lip liner and lip cream for my lips. First I'm going to fill and line my lips with the same lip liner, and then I'm going to top it with this Miss Claire soft matte lip cream like this, and we are done with this makeup look. I really liked how it turned out and I really enjoyed creating this Barbie doll inspired makeup look, which I never ever had in my life. So but still I really loved how it turned out, and thank you all so much for watching. Do subscribe for more videos.